Hello friends, glad to meet you all with this new video. Today we will learn how to write a biographical sketch. This skill is a major discourse and it is asked for 10 marks. It is a paper 2 skill. Here this is also a creative writing, that is a writing skill of the Unit 6 of the 8th standard English textbook, SSC Board Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. On to the biographical sketch. This is the biographical sketch of S.P. Balasubramanyam. Firstly, let us get to know how to write a biographical sketch. So this is a pattern to follow in order to write a biographical sketch. Write a quotation. The quotation should be such that it is connected to the person, the field to which the person belongs to. If the person about whom you are writing the biographical sketch is good at sports, write a quotation on sports. Is good at education, write a quotation on education. Is good at art, then write it on art. So that way you have to make the quotation. Then connect the quotation and introduce the person. So according to the quotation, we need to introduce the person. Then for splitting the biographical sketch into paragraphs, this pattern can be followed. In the first paragraph, we can write about the date of birth, the place of birth, the parents and so on. In the second paragraph, we can write about the education, marriage and achievements, profession and all. And in the next paragraph, we can speak about the awards, rewards and honorary things. All that we can speak in the third paragraph. And in the fourth paragraph, as a conclusion, we can write what we learn, what lessons we learn from the life of that person. So this is how you write a biographical sketch. On to the question here. Given below are the details of a famous singer, S.P. Balasubramanyam. Based on this information, write a biographical sketch of S.P. Balasubramanyam. Your full name is Sripati Panditaradhyula Balasubramanyam. Date and place of birth 4th June 1946. Place of birth Konettamapeta in Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh, India. Educational qualifications engineering. Entry into film field 1966. First film Sri 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 Maryada Ramanna. Entry into Bollywood 1980. Total number of songs sung about 40,000. Other credits noted dubbing artist. Actor acted in number of Telugu films. TV programs, leading many TV programs. Awards. National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer 6 times. Nandi Awards from Government of Andhra Pradesh 25 times. State Award from Tamil Nadu. State Award from Karnataka. Padma Shri Award and Padma Bhushan Award. On to the biographical sketch. Here we know that S.P. Balasubramanyam is a great and a very talented, extremely remarkable playback singer. So singing pertains to art, talent and skill. So here we can take a quotation with connection to talent and skill. Here goes the quotation this way. Talent is a universal gift, but it takes a lot of courage to use it. Don't be afraid to be the best. Paulo Coelho. So here we have written the quotation and now we have to connect the quotation and the person. One such person who used his innate talent and soared like an eagle in the heights of success with true grit and courage to be the best is none other than S.P. Balasubramanyam. Then in the next para, we write about the date of birth, place of birth and parents if the information is given. The full name of S.P. He was born on 4th June 1946 at Konetammapeta in Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. Then we go with the education. He completed his engineering. His passion for singing was so strong that he entered into the silly field as a playback singer in 1966. His first film was Sri Sri Maryada Ramanna. So here we have given the information about education and the profession. Then we go with the extraordinary achievements. His performance was such extraordinary that he got his entry into Bollywood in 1980 itself. He became famous all over India. He had sung about 40,000 songs and is even a noted dubbing artist. In addition to this, he had acted in a number of Telugu films. Apart from this, he even leads many TV programs providing platform for many new talents to flourish. Then we go with the awards and rewards. For his unparalleled work in the field of singing, he has been honored by the Padma Shri Award and the Padma Bhushan Award. He is even the proud recipient of the state awards of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. For his extraordinary singing capabilities, he was even awarded the Nandi Awards from Government of Andhra Pradesh 25 times. In addition to all these, he has even bagged the National Film Awards for Best Male Playback Singer 6 times. His exemplary work in the field of music is outstanding and remarkable. His success is a boon to the younger generation because it not only encourages new talent but also teaches them the techniques of singing professionally. His contribution to the cine field will ever remain inscribed forever for each one of us to follow our passion. So in the last paragraph, we are telling what we learned from the life of S.P. Balasubramanyam. Hope you all understood how to write a biographical sketch and this session was useful to you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. Please do not forget to click the like button and do comment and share with your friends. Thank you.